Hello all, welcome back to my channel Meghi Smiles and Trends. Today I'm taking you to a place that is every homemaker's paradise, Agromech in Sanathnagar. Whether you're setting up a new kitchen or just looking for that one perfect decor piece, this place is massive. I'm going to show you the best of their collection and then show you exactly what I picked up for my own home. We started in the cookware section. If you're looking for durability, the steel collection here is endless. From traditional aluminium vessels to high-grade stainless steel, the variety in sizes is mind-blowing. It's perfect for both daily cooking and those heavy-duty kitchen needs. Moving on to the crockery section. For the tea lovers, the dedicated tea section had some really unique blends and accessories. And also they have unique serveware. You will fall in love with their collection. They have various designs in copper water bottle collection and also mini copper dispensers with taps. I have also seen wooden trays for serving. All these aesthetic finds look beautiful on a dining table. It's not just about the kitchen, the furnishings and decor section at Agromech is so vibrant. I found these intricate Ganesha idols and also adorable couple dolls. That would make amazing gifts. If you want to add some greenery without the maintenance, their artificial plants and vases come in every shape and size imaginable. It's a great way to liven up a corner of your living room. It's time for unboxing. Now for the fun part, what I actually bought. I picked up a range of serving plates and bowls. I have picked up this plate with Lakshmi and Ganapati for my puja room. My mom picked up few cute tiffin boxes that she liked. One of my favorite finds was the 18 centimeter tri-ply cook bowl from the company called Stahl. Triply is amazing because it heats evenly and is super durable. This cook bowl comes with a lid. Then I bought a beautiful serveware bowl. This is a Mughalite dish. It has beautiful design and pattern on it. It comes with a lid. I also invested in a high quality Kadai and Saucepan set. The best part, one lid fits both. These are very heavy bottomed, which is a sign of great quality. From the crockery section, I have picked up these two cute dip bowls. Both these dip bowls are handmade. And also I have picked up a glass bottle. I really love the design of this glass bottle. From the brass section, I have picked up this beautiful Shankam, Chakram and Namam Diyas. I have also bought few beautiful decorative asanams to place my idols. They really add a divine touch to the Mandir if you place it in your puja room. This cube is a cute agarbatti stand. I like this cute urli bowl also. I bought this as well from the brass section. This costed me around 120 rupees. From their plastic section, I grabbed some essentials like wallpaper, 2 funnels, a desk organizer, 2 jewelry organizer boxes, a water bottle, a mini sink side dustbin and a mesh for my fruit basket to keep those pesky flies away. Agromech in Sanathnagar truly has everything from the smallest funnel to the heaviest kadai. Thank you for shopping with me. Comment below which item you liked best. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content. Until we meet next time, stay curious and stay happy.